Welcome dear student for the new practical, that is for the transpiration experiment. Comparative study of the rates of transpiration in the upper and the lower surface of the leaf using 4-leaf experiment. Okay, now here for this experiment what are the requirements? So requirements, that is 2 stands are required, then the thread is required, 4 leaves of the any plant you can take. Here the Calotropis and banyan tree is written, instead of that we can take the hibiscus leaf also and the Vaseline. Okay, so these are the requirements are there for the your experiment of the transpiration. So here I have the thread, along with this I have the Vaseline, okay, as well as we need the 4 leaves. So 4 leaves of the hibiscus are taken. So leaf should be of the same size, okay, it should be of the same, it's a structure, or we can say of the same, it's a according to the growth, it should have the same growth. Okay, then afterward you need the cotton to apply the Vaseline on this leaf, as well as you need the tag for tying this for leaves. You have to give the name to the leaves, that is A, B, C, D, like that. Here we need the 4 tags for this, so A, B, C, D tag is required. So these are the requirements are there for the making the experiment of the transpiration. Now we'll start with the experiment. Here we'll take the first leaves one by one. So this is my leaf A, this one is leaf B, this one is leaf C, and this one is leaf D. Okay, so here accordingly we'll apply the Vaseline. So in this leaf A, here you have to apply the Vaseline on the both the surface. Leaf B, you have to apply the Vaseline on the lower surface, upper surface should be free. Leaf C, you have to apply the Vaseline on the upper surface, here lower surface should be free, and here you have to apply the, don't have to apply the Vaseline, so both the surfaces are free. What exactly here in this we observe that this about the leaf, this is the upper surface of the leaf and this is the lower surface of the leaf. So here on the lower surface of the leaf we find in case of the dicot maximum stomata are present, while on the upper surface of the leaf the less stomata are present. Okay, so here in this experiment we have to prove that maximum transpiration is taking place through the lower surface as compared to the upper surface. Okay, now this is my leaf A. So here I will take the Vaseline with the help of the cotton. We'll apply this Vaseline on the leaf on the upper surface as well as on the lower surface. So the use of this Vaseline, that is for closing the stomata. Stomata means what? The stomatas which are the small pores or the small apertures which is present on the leaf or as well as on the young stem. So here on the both the surfaces I will apply the Vaseline so that all the stomatas will get closed. Now here what is the use of the stomata? Stomatas are there which are helping for the gaseous exchange as well as the transpiration. So here transpiration takes place. What is meant by transpiration? Transpiration means the loss of the water in the form of the vapors. So this is my leaf A where the Vaseline is applied. Now next is the leaf B. For leaf B I will apply the Vaseline only on the lower surface, upper surface will be free. So here on the lower surface I will apply the Vaseline. So all the stomatas which are present on the lower surface will get closed. Stomatas which are present on the upper surface, they are free. Now third leaf I will take. For third leaf I will apply the Vaseline on the upper surface only, lower surface will be free. So the Vaseline which is applied on the upper surface only. So all the stomatas which are present on the upper surface are closed, and the next is a leaf D is there where the Vaseline is not applied at all. So here we got the 4 leaves. This is your leaf A, this is leaf B, leaf C, and leaf D. What we observe in this, I will revise once again. On leaf A, Vaseline is applied on the both the surface, on the upper surface as well as on the lower surface. Leaf B, where the Vaseline is applied only on the lower surface, upper surface it is a free. Leaf C, where Vaseline is applied on the upper surface only, while the lower surface is a free. And leaf D, where the Vaseline is not applied on the both the surfaces. We'll check this here. Leaf A, this is on both the side, Vaseline is applied, so I'll keep the tag along with this, the leaf A. Leaf B, upper surface no Vaseline is applied, lower surface Vaseline is applied, so I'll keep this. So this is my leaf B. Leaf C is here. On the leaf C, Vaseline applied only on the upper surface, while there is no Vaseline on the lower surface. And leaf D is here. Leaf D, Vaseline is not applied on the both the surfaces. Okay, so both the surfaces are free. Now here, just now I said all the leaves which are of the having the same growth, same structure is there, and what is the same shape is there. Okay, so same size of this leaves we have to use for this experiment. Now we'll tie this all the 4 leaves at the equal distance. You have to tie this the equal distance. I kept the thread ready. So here I'll just put its a stalk, that is a petiole, and this. Now the second leaf, that is leaf B. Now leaf C. And leaf D. So here all the 4 leaves are there which are tied here with the help of the thread. Okay, now here I will tag this ABCD along with this. So I'll put the tag A here for leaf A, tag B for the second leaf, tag C for the third leaf, and tag D for the fourth leaf. Now here we got this, all the 4 leaves are there. This is leaf A, leaf B, leaf C, and leaf D. Okay, I'll keep the tag a little bit away so that the leaf will get the freely air for the transpiration. So all whatever the 4 leaves are ready for the experiment. This you have to hang on the stand, on the 2 stand, and you have to keep it in the sunlight for the few hours. Okay, after few hours we'll get the result. Okay, so I'll hang this with the help of the stand. So like that, here we can hang on the stand and we can keep this outside in the sunlight for a few hours. So it is hanged outside in the sunlight. We'll keep it for the few hours and after that we can get the result. Student, now this is what the result we got after 4 to 5 hours. That is about the transpiration. Leaf A, B, C and D, we can see the difference in all 4 leaves. So where the leaf A, we can observe that here the leaf A which remain fresh because both the whatever the surfaces, upper and the lower surface where the Vaseline was applied, and that's why all the stomata got closed, and that's why there was no transpiration, there was no loss of water, and therefore this leaf A remained fresh. Now we'll see about the leaf B. So leaf B, we can see the difference between A and B. Leaf B shows a little bit the transpiration as what we observe in this. In leaf B, the lower surface is get closed and upper surface is open about the stomatas. So it indicates that the lower surface have the maximum stomatas and the upper surface having the very less stomatas. So that's why very less transpiration have taken place in this. Very less loss of water is there. So it is little bit what we can see the dry one. Now about the leaf C, if you see the difference between the B and C, leaf C is a more drier as compared to the leaf B. As here leaf C, the Vaseline is applied only on the upper surface, where the Vaseline is applied only on the upper surface, while on the lower surface the Vaseline was not applied. So that's why all the stomatas of the lower surface was open and the upper surface stomatas were closed. So maximum stomata on the lower surface, that's why there was a maximum loss of water, more transpiration was there as compared to leaf B. So that's why the leaf C is more drier as compared to the leaf B. Now we'll see the leaf D. So leaf D is the driest one. We can see that in the leaf D here the Vaseline was not applied at all on the upper surface as well as on the lower surface. So that's why maximum water is get lost through this, and that's why maximum transpiration we can say. So that's why it is the driest one. So in this all four leaves we can observe that the leaf A is there, which is a fresh. Here the leaf B is a little bit dry. Leaf C is a more drier as compared to leaf B, and leaf D is the driest one. Here this is about what? About the transpiration. This is an experiment which is called as a transpiration by using 4 leaves. So by this we can identify here maximum stomatas are present on lower surface of dicotyledonous leaf as compared to the upper surface. So it indicates that maximum transpiration is taking place from the lower surface as compared to the upper surface. So this in this we can easily clearly observe that the dicot leaves are there, which are like that. It is a horizontal, they are arranged horizontally, and that's why maximum sunlight is present falling on the upper side and the less sunlight on the lower side. So this is what one type of the adaptation we can say to avoid the loss of water, maximum stomata which are present on the lower surface. Okay, so this is about what the question number 4, spot A. At the spot A, for the identification, this experiment will be there. So in that case, what we will write here, it is experiment on the transpiration to identify the maximum stomatas are present on the lower surface as compared to the upper surface. Okay, then the conclusion here we can say that here the transpiration takes place to the dicot leaves to the maximum stomata where it is on the lower surface and less stomata on the upper surface. Leaf A is a fresh as it is, then leaf B is a little bit drier, leaf C is a more drier as compared to B, and leaf D is the driest one. Okay, so this is what the result is there about this experiment.